Let us take a set of insects. You might have seen near huge trees like coconut tree, big black insect, big one like it will have nice bluish blackish color. That's called the beetle. Now this beetle eats up soft tender leaves and get the tree to die, especially coconut tree. Coconut tree can be killed by a small black beetle. Spell beetle B-E-E-T-L-E, beetle. Shall we write? Good. B E E T L E. It's bluish black color and huge like this, and it can kill a tree, especially coconut tree. Beetle. Now let's write the B capital. B E E T L E. Beetle. In your house, if you keep some sweet, you will find an army of ants coming to eat it. And there are different kinds of ants. Black ants, small red ants, big woolly ants. In the garden, you will find large woolly ants on the leaves. Yes, have you seen? Spell ant, A-N-T, ant. And I'm sure you don't like them because they bite you. Yes? Let's write A, N, T, ant. Let's write the A capital. A, N, T, ant. You love to eat honey with your idli, dosa, chapati. Yes. And who collects and gives us honey? Bee. What is the bees? So bees live in the honeycomb. They collect honey for us. Spell B, B, E, E, B. And you love the bees, don't you? Good. B, E, E, B. Let's write the B capital. B, E, E, B. Who makes in the corners of your house on the roof nice web? And who lives in it? Spider. Yes, good. Spell spider. S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider. A tiny spider, big spider. Which nursery rhymes you remember with spider? Little Miss Muffet. Good. Let's write spider. S P I D E R. Spider. Let's write the S capital. S P I D E R. Spider. Let's look at the names of insects that we wrote already. Beetle. B-E-E-T-L-E. Beetle. Beetle is a large bluish black insect. They have very hard shell and they can kill a tree. Eat up all the tender leaves. Ant. A-N-T. Ant. There are colonies of ant. Army of ant in your house wherever you keep sweet items. There are black ants, red ants, woolly ants. Bee. B-E-E-B. They are our friends because they collect honey from the flowers for us. Good. And finally we have spiders. Spiders make webs in our home, on the roof, and they eat up all the mosquitoes. So spiders are our friends. Spell spider, S-P-I-D-E-R, spider. Let's take another set of insects. Which insects fly into your house and gives you fever? Yes, if you keep anything uncovered, that insect comes, sit on it and give you fever. And it's found in the house. Half the insect name is house. Complete. Fly, house fly. House flies are very dangerous. They can bring in infection from outside. Spell house fly. Housefly. Housefly. We should keep houseflies out of our house. Good. Let's write. House. House. Fly. Housefly. Let's write the H capital. H. O. U. S. E. F. L. Y. Housefly. Next, there are insects, white, tiny ones, look like the ants, but they can destroy wood. They can kill a tree. They can destroy a house. And that's called termites. Termites are tiny, brownish, white. They are very small. They are very powerful in destroying wooden things. Termite. Termites. Termite. They always come in groups. In colonies they live. Good. Termite. Termites. Just like the ants, they also live in colony. Let's write the T capital. T. E-R-M-I-T-E-S. Termites. Now, if we don't clean our house, there are tiny insects that live on the bed, inside the cotton. That's called bed bug. These bed bugs, you can also bring it from outside when you travel. They are very dangerous. They give us sickness. Bed bugs, they should be kept out of home. We must clean and dust our bed daily. B-E-D-B-U-G, bed bug. Shall we write? Good. B-E-D, bed. B-U-G, bed bug. They bite you badly. Let's write the B capital. B. E. D. B. U. Bug. Bed bug. Now, if you go into your garden, on the lovely green leaves, there'll be a beautiful tiny, tiny red insect with black dots. Some are round, some are long. What do you call that? Huh? That's a lovely little bug that's called lady. Some people say ladybug, but we call it ladybird. And there is even a little song, ladybird, ladybird, fly away home. Yes, we always find them in 2, 3, 4. Ladybird. L. A. D. Y, lady bird. Red insect with black dot. Let's write L capital. L A D Y, lady bird. Let's look at the insects. Name we have written. First, we have here housefly. 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 Housefly is a very dangerous insect that makes us sick. Termite. Termits. Termites come in colonies. They come in large groups, destroy anything made of wood. It can be a furniture, a wooden house, or a dead tree. They can just finish it off. Termites. Bed bug. Bed bug, they're a tiny insect. They'll bite you when you lie in your bed and it can make you sick. B-E-D-B-U-G. Bed bug. Next, we have ladybird, a lovely red insect with black dots. Some are round, some are long, and that's called L-A-D-Y, lady, B-I-R-D, ladybird.